So let's talk about the magic of visual search technology a bit. Many ask us, how does that work? Is this really that good, that accurate? So our answer has always been, let's test. Yeah, we don't know upfront. We don't know your parts. We don't know how they look like. And it's always a surprise, but we are always happy to test and do that for free. So far, we managed to achieve at least 70% search accuracy for every customer we onboarded so far. And this number can go up to 95% in best cases. And that's one of our core USPs. We significantly outperform the competition here. So how do we do that? So at nyris, we offer a very unique and highly effective solution. It consists of 4 key steps, starting with the delivery of 3D CAD models. If you got images of your parts, we're happy to use them as well. If you don't, we're happy to use the 3D CAD models, what is very often the case. We render those in a highly automated process and synthetically generate pictures out of that. So really synthetic images of that part. And those images we use then to feed the search index. Based on this synthetic index, we set up the visual search as software as a service, meaning available 24/7 to answer any request from any nyris customer. Currently, we answer roughly 20 requests from all over the world every second. Our business model is license-driven. There are no setup costs, and the software as a service price is of a very high value. Typically, we generate an ROI of 6 to 10 times in the first year after rollout. So here is another example of our synthetic data. I just wanted to show it to you to really zoom in and show you the quality of those synthetic images, which is really not for a human eye, not distinguishable between a fake picture like this one and a real one. And as said, this image is not real. A neural network generated this image and can do thousands of times again and again, simulating different conditions, different lighting, different backgrounds, whatever you like. And those synthetic data models remove a major bottleneck for adoption of visual search within the industrial domain. And this is a lack of real images, as many of our customers tell us.